Xiaomi Mi TV E43K with bezel-less design, 43-inch Full HD screen launched. Xiaomi has launched the new Mi TV E43K in China, adding to its E-series of smart TV models. The Mi TV E43K, as the name suggests, features a 43-inch display and follows the company's budget-friendly approach to electronics. It comes with Xiaomi's patch wall interface that gives easy access to all sorts of content at one place. It has a bezel-less design and a Full HD resolution. There is no Bluetooth connectivity in the Mi TV E43K, unlike other smart TVs by the company. Mi TV E43K price. The Mi TV E43K by Xiaomi has been launched with a price tag of 1,099 Chinese yuans, roughly 11,700 rupees. It is now available for purchase in China through Xiaomi Open. The company has not shared details about international availability as of yet. Mi TV E43K specifications. The Mi TV E43K packs a Full HD, 1,920x1,080 pixels, display with 60 Hz refresh rate and 178-degree viewing angles. The TV is powered by the dual-core processor with 1.4 GHz clock speed and a Mali 450 MP2 GPU. It has 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of onboard storage. It comes with Wi-Fi connectivity and infrared. There is no Bluetooth present on the Mi TV E43K, that means the remote works through infrared. For connectivity, the Mi TV E43K offers 2 HDMI ports and one of them supports HDMI ARC, high-definition multimedia interface audio return channel. You also get an AV port, 2 USB ports, and an Ethernet port. For audio, the TV features two 8-watt speakers with DTS 2.0. It runs on patch wall interface that brings all content in one place, a more convenient entertainment experience. It comes with several pre-installed apps and access to the Mi App Store as well. Further, the Mi TV E43K is compatible with AirPlay and Miracast. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.